Hi, my name is Aneshia. I'm a second-year Bachelor of Culinary Arts and Business student, and I'm from Auckland, New Zealand. For our professional gastronomic practice paper, our class planned and executed a 3-course business lunch event, which was held here at our Cordon Bleu, New Zealand campus. We had 2 classes where we were able to develop and trial and test our dish with our group. And then finally, we had a 3rd class where we did a practical exam just to see that we were comfortable to make it on our own. In the first year of BCAB, we do a class where we are the front of house servers for Brasserie, which is our restaurant. We learn all the fundamentals of the front of house. We deliver a 5-star service and a more of a fine dining service for customers. Whereas on the other spectrum, this time we were actually in the kitchen and we got to see both sides of a restaurant service. On the day of the event, I was in charge of the desserts alongside 2 of my classmates. Originally, this was just a classic Parisian pear Bordaloo tart, and eventually, after development and testing, we had made it into a pear Bordaloo tart, although we had experimented with the plating. And then we also added a raspberry coulis and a salted caramel ice cream, which I thought was a really cool component as it had that temperature balance within the dish and it just enhanced it. So I think I was most proud of the ice cream addition to the dish. Overall, I think the event was a very positive experience to everyone. I think it was a big learning experience as well in terms of collaboration and teamwork and just being in that high pressure kitchen environment, which was something that all of us haven't done together for an event. I think everyone was a little bit nervous, but I think once we got in the kitchen, it was cool to see the way everyone kind of just started to work together. And it was also really cool to get customer feedback just through the feedback forms we have here at Le Cordon Bleu. It was cool to see that people enjoyed our food and enjoyed that what we had made and what we had worked really hard to do. I'd say that this first half of BCAB has definitely allowed me to see both sides of the culinary world, whether it be the management side and also the practical side. It's definitely a good balance, I'd say, and I think it's really important to see both sides when you're going into the industry because there is a lot to both sides and one side can't be upheld without the other. Personally, for me, I would recommend the Bachelor of Culinary Arts and Business course to anyone who's interested or on the scale of deciding. It's definitely a course where you do see both sides of the culinary world and the industry, and you just learn so much, and I have learned so much in my time here already, and I'm really excited to see what I'm going to continue to learn, and I'm really excited to see what happens after.